leaving your bag here. Bye. We just arrived at the JB airport and we're heading to hrhdesaru.
Yes, we are! And we're hungry and we're sleepy. We're gonna eat, get a massage and do stuff.
And no, go to the swimming pool, lie under the sun and just sleep.
That sounds like a good plan. And eat too.
Yes. So from the JB airport, we're gonna take a 1 hour ride to Hardrock. And we are here. Hello.
We are checking in.
Our tea time here at GMT8. So we're gonna get like all the yummy hot bites. We're gonna come here and have cocktails. We're like little girls in a candy store because we're literally in a candy store. Ready out together. 1, 2. So it's our first dinner here at hrhdesarucoast and we're going to Sessions for buffet. Good morning! So I just woke up, messy hair and all ready to start the day at Hardrock. Morning! Our room number is 601. Yes. Thank you! We're going to the water park! Yes, we are! Woo! It's the Desaru Coast Adventure Water Park! Yay, I got my ticket! Thank you! Decided where we're gonna go first?
Yes, we do. As usual, we are ruled by the children.
Yes.
So we're gonna find out where to place the kids,
Yes.
and then the big kids can play.
We'll have a base so we know where to come back to in case anyone
That's
gets
right.
lost.
The baby base.
The Kraken's Revenge. How do you guys feel about it?
So good! We did it
3 times!
3 times!
Ooh, we're going for this one! Woo! And that's it for the water park. Woo! Do you have fun?
So much fun.
Yes, it was so fun. Now we're gonna go back to the room and rest for a while before dinner. So we're heading for our second night's dinner today. And we're going to the elephant and the butterfly. Early in the morning, and the first thing I'm gonna do is have a very nice massage at the rock spa. Perfect, perfect. And I'm gonna do my massage now. Back to you later. Done with my spa session. So right now I'm gonna go to the rock shop and get some souvenirs before I go home.